How to add your account details to your Peritia account for easy withdrawal. All right, let me click on my link. That is my link, and it's taking me to my Peritia page. Yes, this is it. Log in with our Peritia login details and sign in. Yes, welcome back. Good day, favor. This is how your page is supposed to be. Just that for the rank, some of you, your rank might still be showing novice, or your rank might still be showing anything. I'm not sure there's anything special about this rank sales package. So yes, if you look at it, you see I already have account details. But for the purpose of this teaching, I want to change the account details. So you just scroll to the corner, to the left hand side of your page, and click on profile. If you click on withdraw, it's the same thing you still see. But let's click on profile because we want to put our account details. Let's say you don't have an account, you don't have account details already in your Peritia account. Let's just say this account is a fresh account. This is what you will do. So you select your country. Mine is Nigeria. No matter where you're from, it's the same thing. You select your country. If you are Ghana, you select anywhere you're from. Select your bank. So let's change bank. Let's use Opay. Then you select your account number. You can use any number of your choice. Let me just use anything. Let me just use any account, anything at all. Then you click add account. You understand? Add account. This thing we're doing, if you use Google Chrome, you might not see where to put account number or bank. You will not see the bank, not even might, you will not see it. So I advise that you use Opera Mini to do this thing, or Safari. So you click on add account. When it does, okay, you have added account details before. You just add it once. You have added account details before, but if it's you now that have not have any account details added before, it will show you bank details successfully added. Do you understand? It will show you bank details successfully added. Now let me show you how to withdraw. If you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you select your country. The same thing we did the first time. Account type. You can withdraw from your sales account or your ebook account or your PRT account. Someone was asking me that what about our TikTok challenge? Can we not withdraw it? No, because TikTok challenge, they pay you immediately. You are chosen as the winner of the challenge. The same thing with Instagram challenge. When you win the Instagram challenge for the week, they pay you immediately. You understand? So let's see, we're withdrawing from our sales account. We cannot withdraw from PRT account now because the PRT withdraws only on the 1st of every month, and then you must have gotten $35. As at this time I'm recording this video, there is nobody that has $35 in his or her Peritia account, because as at today, Peritia is just 15 days old. All right, so sales account. You click the sales account. I have $64.10 available. When you are withdrawing, don't bother putting that $sign, and don't gonna do 64,000. No, it's 64, just the 6 and the 4, depending on what you have. Or minimum withdrawal amount is $8. So if you have 7, it will not work. If you have 6, it will not work. If you have 4, 5, 3, they will not work. It must be from 8 and above. So you've already chosen sales account. Next thing you enter is your country again. This time you use your hands to type it. Nigeria. If it's Ghana amount, it's not compulsory to withdraw all the money you have in your account. But me, I like money faint, so I must withdraw all. So I'll put 64. Then click on withdraw. Being that today is not yet time for withdrawal, when I click on withdraw, they will tell you that let me just decide. You see what they will say. Nigeria sales withdrawal is closed. But at the minute it was withdrawal time or withdrawal day, it will tell you 64 successfully withdrawn. You understand? That is what you see. So it is that easy. It is this easy. Withdrawal time for Nigeria affiliates are Sundays and Wednesdays. Sundays and Wednesdays. That's the normal time, for withdrawal. Sundays and Wednesdays, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. For the other countries, I really don't know. You just check the flyer. Let me check my withdrawal history. And all this one, someone will not say, I see this one that did not work. Oh. Okay, I've done these 4 withdrawals. So it's working. Everything. People say Peritia is a scam. I don't know where they're getting the gist from. It's a scam and people are making money by the day. So let me still talk about this aggregate balance and current balance because people keep asking about it. Aggregate balance is all the money you've made as an affiliate, not all the money you've made from task. This 12.12 PROT is what I've made from task, and you cannot withdraw it until it gets to $35, and you can only withdraw it on the first of any month. Aggregate balance is what you've gotten from being an affiliate, meaning from using your link to refer people. Current balance is what you have left. So see, the aggregate balance is 403. That's what I've gotten. I've withdrawn from it, so I have 64 left. See what I've withdrawn. Paid earnings, that's what they've paid me. That's 339. You saw my withdrawal list just now. I got them from the withdrawal. So for people that want to refer, because I'll tell you the truth, you make more money in Peritia when you refer people. This is how to get your referral link. Your referral link is right there in your dashboard, but you just scroll before your recent activities. You see referral link. Click on copy link. When you click on copy link, it will copy. You understand? Then you go to your WhatsApp or go to wherever you want to send the message. It's mostly WhatsApp, and drop it there. Or if you're using YouTube, drop it there. Anywhere you want to go to, drop it there and refer who you want to refer. Do you understand? But me, I prefer asking my downlines to come to my DM. Instead of me giving them their link, I prefer to tell them to give me their details so that I register them by myself. I have my reasons. Peritia is a platform that if your downline makes a mistake in the registration, you might lose that registration. Mistake like not using your link, or if the person uses Opera Mini to register and Opera Mini refreshes itself, it will throw that your referral name away. You will end up getting nothing from that referral. Do you understand? So if you have any other question concerning Peritia, any other thing that you don't understand, feel free to drop it in my comment section. So let me show you, now that we've set our account, put our account details, we've done that to withdraw. Let me show you some stuffs about how to do your task. This PROT earning. You want to do your task, you click on PROT earning that is at the side. You click on PROT earning that is at the side. So that's PROT earning. I've already clicked on it and it has opened. You don't have a business with previous task because you are new. Even if you are not new, let's say you've done your task before, previous task is what has passed. You go to this first one you are seeing, the first read more. You click on it, the read more. Just scroll. If you have time to read, fine. Don't have time to read like me, you scroll to the fourth task. I don't want this video to be so long, so I'm going to end it here. If you want to watch how to do your task and get your $1 every day on Peritia, there's a video for it. So, and it's right here in this my channel, wherever you're watching me from. If you're watching me on YouTube, then I'm going to place it. I'm going to add a link to this video. But if you're watching me on TikTok, just check my videos. You'll see how to do your task, how to do your daily task on Peritia. Same with you, Facebook and Instagram. So see you. Like, come your way again is Coach Favor, your online auntie. Bye.